All right. In today's training, if you're in the HB Naturals business, I'm going to provide a whole bunch of value and my exact method that I use for my capture pages, as opposed to using the HB Naturals capture page. So please watch the whole video. I'll bring the palm trees and the fancy cars and everything next time. But for this video, if you just want some value-based content that's actually going to help you in your HB Naturals business, or if you're just looking up information and thinking about, what team should I get on and how should I go about building this business without doing the old traditional talk to friends and family and stuff like that, watch the whole video. Before I get into the meat of the video, though, I got to do give the disclaimer super quick. I am an independent affiliate in HB Naturals. Your individual results will vary. The average yearly income for an independent affiliate or consultant may be zero or higher, depending on each independent consultant's own effort. You can make more, you can make less. Individual results will vary. And if I should happen to mention the products have not been evaluated by the FDA, and they are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any diseases. And just like with the income, your individual results with the product will vary. With that out of the way, I'll get right into it. This is one of I see a lot of videos and things like that with HB Naturals. HB Naturals does provide their own capture pages, and they do provide their own email marketing system. And I think that's great. And, if someone wants to start with that because they literally just don't have any experience online, they've never dabbled in network marketing or anything like that, and they want to just kind of start with that just to get started, I can understand that, I guess, in that scenario, but you would still want to come back to my videos and implement your own capture pages as soon as possible. There's nothing wrong at all with any of the HB Naturals capture pages. You can see right here, this is one of the capture pages. They have 11 or 12 of them in total. This is one, has a nice attention-grabbing headline right here. It says your dream business is here. Goes into like some features and benefits of the company. And a person, if you are attracting a person, from Facebook or some other form of free or paid advertising online, that person could come over here. They could enter their name, their email address, all their contact information. They'd hit the button. It would take them to, your independent HB Naturals website. And let me click on this. Here's another one that shows more of the products. This is like the testimonials page that has a bunch of individual testimonials, which is really awesome. Here's one that is just about the products, and here's one that's about the products and also, having a membership, and maybe that person is also interested in becoming a HB Naturals representative. So with that out the way, the real point of the whole video, I wanted to show you those. They're all really nice capture pages. But the way that I do it is instead of sending people directly to everything about HB Naturals, right? The type of person, depending on what business you have to know your target market, and you have to know the type of people that you have a choice, right? You get to choose. It's your business. When you're an independent representative, when you really think about it, you have, even though you're not investing anything other than maybe like a sample in the products and stuff to have a HB Naturals business, you need to think of it as $1 million business. And, and think of the end in mind. Always start your business with the end in mind. And with the end in mind, I want to start, if it's my business, right? If I'm going to be learning a whole bunch of new skills and I'm going to be attracting people on the internet, I want to be able to capture and store those leads right from the very beginning. And that's the only downfall of using the company site, is you don't get to capture those leads, right, and store them on your own site, right? So the way that I like to do it is I like to build out my own capture page. That way I can put my own individual bonuses, which that's separating myself from everybody else in HB Naturals, right? So I provide my own unique bonuses for my team, and that's one of the big issues that I see across all of network marketing is a very large percentage of people, they're focused on like how do I do this, and how do I do this, or how do I build this. Well, there's thousands of videos that can teach you how to build a capture page. There's thousands of videos that tell you how to do, A, B, and C in network marketing, but you have to really search to find videos that are going to tell you why, the real reason behind why are you doing those things. And that's the where people usually fall flat on their face in network marketing, is they don't really understand the theory behind what they're doing. So what I do is, you don't have to promote the same one that I do, but through ClickFunnels, I promote on the front end of my funnel. I promote a book by Russell Brunson. It's Traffic Secrets, and you can see this is what I'm about to show you right now. This is an example of my own personal capture page. This is the capture page for HB Naturals. You can send people there, but the way that I do it is, I create my capture page, and it doesn't say anything about HB Naturals whatsoever. I'm promoting something that I believe and has greatly benefited me. I really want everyone that's going to be on my team, it's almost mandatory that they read this book first. And the reason I say that is because those are the people that I want on my team. I want to be able to communicate and truly help and have a high percentage of the people on my team achieve success. But how can I train someone when we're not on the same level and we're not speaking the same language, right? You can't understand someone if you're speaking a different language. So by reading this book, which I think is like a whopping the book itself is free. You just pay like a small shipping charge. So that's how I started out. I'm built my headline specifically to hit a pain point of my target market. Then they would continue to go through my capture page. They give some more information on the importance and the benefits that you're going to get from reading the Traffic Secrets book. And I have inserted, it doesn't show up when I'm in the building section of ClickFunnels, but I have a video right here, and it goes into further depth. It shows that the bonuses that I provide are sent out within 48 hours. They're only available through the links on this page, which all of that stuff is true. To click the link right here to get the special offer, I do on the normal page. Here, I'll go ahead and click on it super quick so you can see a full example with the countdown and all that type of stuff. But here it is live on the internet. Oh, get ready let it catch up here. So there's the video that I have, and you can see the countdown timer has started. It's clearly stating step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 of exactly what someone is supposed to do. Here's what you're going to get. It starts breaking down all the different things you're going to get from the first offer, which is the Traffic Secrets book, right? So the reason that I do it this way is because if you use the capture pages from HB Naturals, there's nothing in and of itself, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but you're going to have a massive, huge percentage of people that really they're dipping their toes in the water. They have absolutely no intent on seriously building an HB Naturals business, you know. So there's a whole separate funnel that I can talk about for people advertising on the internet using paid and free advertising for the products. That's a whole different conversation. What I'm talking about here is building a capture page for people, for serious minded people that have true intention of building a business. Well, if someone, the person that will enter their information right here, right, they don't have to invest even $1. And I understand. So you think, okay, well, you're going to get a whole bunch of people. I understand that. But this particular sales page right here, this capture page, is attracting people that will at least spend $1, right? So if they'll spend $1, that means that they are a buyer. So they'll go through here. They see the benefit and you already know, if you have a business, whether it's an online business or an offline business, you need traffic. You need to have customers buying your product. You need to have people that are interested in joining you in your HB Naturals business, right? So this goes over, it starts breaking down everything that you're going to get. And when you get the free book, all you have to do is pay a little bit of shipping and handling. It goes over everything you're going to get when you receive the Traffic Secrets book. Then it specifically starts to point out, plus everything you're going to get when you join me on my personal team. And this is where you truly start to separate yourself, because you start breaking down each particular benefit that you're going to give someone when they join you in your HB Naturals business, right? Goes on, shows all the benefits that you're going to get, and it shows the total value. Again, everything they're going to get with another countdown timer, and they hit this right here, which ultimately takes them to. And I even have like a pop up. Oh, I think the pop up came up later, so it might not come up again. But I wanted to do this video because it's, the mindset behind setting up your own capture page. You're going to be building your own list. You're going to be building a very high quality list of people that really have a true intent, right? If someone will spend at least $1, if someone is not willing to spend even $1 to gain some extremely valuable information that, basically I'm telling them, like, hey, you really, in order to be on my team, you have to read that book first, because if I'm going to dedicate my time and energy to helping you build your business, I want to be able to, instead of me teaching you, I want to be on the same page as you, so that when we talk on the phone, texting and emailing back and forth, because you have read that book, you'll understand what I'm talking about, and there won't be, we won't be speaking a different language, and I'll be able to better assist you, and you'll have a higher success rate. But if someone isn't willing to spend between $1 and $10 to have some valuable information, to have a free book shipped to their home, then the odds of them ever doing anything, if they went to this capture page, right? If they went to this capture page and enter their information, or versus if they went to this capture page and paid, $7 for shipping and handling, this particular person is astronomically taking their business, the HB Naturals business, way more serious than the person that just goes to this one and enters their stuff in for free, right? So it's not so much about the quantity of people that you're filling in the pipeline. The other aspect of this one is you're filling that pipeline. HB Naturals is going to be sending out automatic emails on your behalf, but you're not going to have those people in your email auto. I use Aweber for my email autoresponder. All those people are saved in the database, and I can go in and write a personal email anytime I want to. I'll have to do a complete another video on that. But specifically for this particular video, the main objective that I wanted to have in making this video is the reasoning behind having your own capture page. You know, when I designed all of this, the intent was to attract a higher quality person, not by moral standards or anything like that. I guess that's not even the right way to phrase it. A person that's really serious and ready to take action in a HB Naturals business. That's why I built out my funnel this way. And the funnel does ultimately reveal to them exactly what business I'm in, which is HB Naturals. But what the other aspect of this funnel, what it does is now, because the Traffic Secrets book is an affiliate program, I get a little bit of revenue because they purchased that book. And this helps me earn money on the front end of the funnel. That way I can go out into the market. I can do Facebook advertising, Google pay-per-click, and any number of things. Now I have revenue that I can go out into the market and spend to attract people, instead of having to spend all my time doing free marketing. So hopefully you watched this video. If it provided any value, or you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will make another video where I break down the email sequence, and ultimately I will make a video where I show step by step how to build out this funnel in ClickFunnels. If you're interested and you would like, ClickFunnels does have a unique feature where I can just use a share code. So everyone that's on my HB Naturals team will get my share code for this exact funnel. They get the share code for the next funnel, and basically they get the share code for all my email sequence and all that type of stuff. All you pretty much have to do is, once you in the email sequences, is just go through and take out my name and my picture and put your picture and your name in, and boom, they're done. You have a whole email sequence. You have a whole capture page funnel completely built out for you, and all the following funnel sequences that go along with it. So I'll see you on the next video where I do a breakdown of, once they enter this information, going into the email sequence, and I'll see you on the next video.